This unit, we're focusing on statistics, and specifically, we're going to be looking at displaying data and kind of analyzing it a little bit. So our big goals are to analyze and model data using functions and graphs. Mostly, we're going to be looking at graphs in visuals. We also want to be able to analyze data through the use of some basic statistical measures. Okay, so that's the overall big outcome. What does that mean specifically? Well, you can read the chart or the list here yourself, but we're going to be looking at various types of ways to display the data: histograms, frequency tables, bar charts, pie charts, and making sure that we can develop those and that we can read those and understand what information they're telling us. We also want to be able to calculate some of those things like median, mean, mode, something called standard deviation you may have heard about. These are measures of central tendency, how closely the data is related, and measures of dispersion or variation, like what's the spread like. So we'll be looking at those. And there is something called a 5-number summary that kind of puts those pieces together for us a little bit. There's something called the normal curve that you've probably heard about, and z-scores. We'll be looking at all of those, and it's really just a way, again, to display data, and if data is being displayed to us, to make sure we can understand what is trying to be communicated. Okay, so that's the quick overview. Next videos will get us into the nuts and bolts.